In this video, I'm going to show you how we are going to containerize our project using Docker. So these are two important files. First one is .docker ignore. So as you can see, it's a hidden file. So you have to, I have put artifact myvenv dot git ignore logs. These files that we don't want to our Docker to put into our container. So these are these files that Docker will ignore from our project folder. So yeah, and another main file is our Docker file. So why we use Docker is because let's say our project has some libraries. We have created a virtual environment. Now when we are deploying it on cloud, we have to install all that requirements there, and then also we have to take care of specific versions that we have to install the same, and so that process is a bit tedious. So Docker helps us. It containerizes our project, and then it runs that container, which can be run on any type of system, and it would run without breaking, like it is running on our computer. So that's why we use Docker, and this is our main Docker file. So here I have used Python 3.8.5 Slim Buster. So there are various options we can use here, but I have used this. I have taken it from Docker Hub. Okay, and this is our work directory. So it will create a directory named app, and inside it, it will copy dot. This means that it will copy all our files that we have, files and folder that we have on a project inside this app. Okay, and this is run pip install our requirements.txt. So in our requirements.txt file, we have all our name of libraries that we have used inside the code. So it will pip install all of this. So it will run this command, and it will store that inside our image. And this is our main app.py that we want to run. So this code is fairly simple. Now let me show you our terminal. So I have already downloaded Docker Desktop, and I have that opened that, and it's running on the background. So we can use these commands. So if you can see this I have built the Docker image, and this is our, and I have given it a name test dot. I have given it a name test. Okay. So this is the command docker build dash t test dot. Okay. So it will we are currently in the directory of our project, so it will find all the files that is there inside our folder, project folder, and it will find the Docker file there, and it will start the building process. So as you can see, it has uh, it is uh, it is getting the definition from Docker file. Let me show you more. It is getting the definition from Docker file. Then it is loading docker.git docker ignore, and then it is downloading the Slim Buster. Okay, and then it is doing pip install requirements.txt, and finally we have completed without any errors. And now I have written the docker images command, and you can see we have a test command here, test image here. This is the image ID, this is the time, and this is size, created time, and this is size. Now I have run the image. Okay, so we are running our container using this command docker run dash p. So it will give the port. So this port is of our Docker, and this is of our local where we want to run our uh, our project. Okay, so we are mapping our Docker port with our port of our container where it will run. Okay, so this is, you can see it is running successfully. This is the HTTP 008. It is running our 8080 port, and you can see we have everything okay. We have no errors. Okay, and then I tried to see if our training is going successful or not by just putting slash train. Okay, So you can see this is the all the permutation combination of our hyperparameters it has done, and you can see there is no error at the end, and that means our it has run successfully. Yeah. And now this is again we got the okay. Okay, so let me show you where I have run already. So if you can see the training is successful, and this is I have put the slash train and I have already trained, and at the end this is the message that we have trained successfully. That means there was no error while training also. Now let me show you some by some predictions also. Let me just reload it. Okay, now let's do some predictions. Let's put the Europe, South America has showed yes. Now 10,000 region 1,000 here. Let's put 30. Let's see if it is getting our prediction or not. Yeah, so it ran to T and we have visa not approved. So yeah, that's it for this video, guys. We can see that our app is running on our Docker containers successfully. So yeah.